Have you ever stood in awe of a beautiful landscape, wishing you could capture that magic on paper? Today I'm thrilled to share my new workshop, Landscapes in Pastel. Nature has always been the perfect muse for artists, offering endless opportunities to capture light, texture, and color. We'll start by exploring the rich legacy of landscape painting, from ancient cave painting to the masters of today. You'll discover how artists like Constable, Monet, and Carlsen revolutionized landscape painting and how their insights can transform your own work. But don't worry, this isn't an art history lesson. We'll take these timeless principles and translate them into practical techniques. Our journey is divided into 3 core elements, each accompanied by in-depth instruction and video demonstrations. But before we pick up at Pastel, you'll learn how to truly see these elements like an artist. First, we'll master the sky, the backbone of any landscape. You'll understand cloud formations, atmospheric effects, and how light shapes everything below. Then you'll learn to paint everything from dramatic storm clouds to a serene sunset gradation. Next, we'll tackle trees, those essential anchors of landscape painting. Using time-tested principles like Carlsen's theory of angles, I'll show you how to break down seemingly complex forms into manageable shapes. Finally, we dive into water, learning the physics of reflections and refractions before exploring how to paint mirror-like surfaces, rippling streams, and dynamic waves. We'll put it all together in 9 complete demonstrations. Imagine capturing the delicate quality of light trickling through a forest canopy at Black Butte, the soft transitions of rolling hills and aerial perspective in a gentle green, or the warm glowing essence of a midsummer's day in Meadow Path. We'll even push your creativity with a 15-minute speed painting challenge that will help your work be more confident and intuitive. Each demonstration includes detailed, real-time instruction where I share not just the what, but the why behind every technique. I'll also provide you with a curated list of resources and suggested study paths for continuing your artistic journey. Plus, you'll join a supportive online community where you can share your work, ask questions, and connect with fellow artists who share your passion for landscape painting. Best of all, this isn't a race to the finish line. With over 10 hours of video instruction and a comprehensive 120-page ebook, plus lifetime access to all the content, you can learn at your own pace and revisit the lessons whenever you need a refresh. Don't let another beautiful landscape slip away uncaptured. Join me and let's transform your passion for nature into artwork you'll be proud to display. Ready to begin? Let's start painting landscapes in pastel together.